You know those moments when you need to open a box, tighten a screw, or crack open a drink, but you realize you can't exactly carry a whole toolbox every day. Yeah, we've all been there. That's why having the right everyday carry gear saves the day. So I went digging through Amazon to find the best budget EDC tools that actually make life easier and without emptying your wallet. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, AquaVault ChargeCard. Never worry about a dead phone again with the ultra slim ChargeCard. It fits right in your wallet or card holder, so you always have a charger on hand without even thinking about it. Despite its small size, it's made from tough stainless steel, built to handle daily carry without bending or cracking. The ChargeCard comes with USB-C and micro USB connectors for Android, tablets, and iPhones. Number 29, ScytheBlade EDC Knife. The creators of the ScytheBlade have crafted a truly unique EDC knife. Would you carry one daily? This mini knife stands out with its compact size and ultra lightweight build of just 8 grams. But what really makes it special is its unconventional blade design inspired by the history of sickles and scythes. It's a reliable option for those looking for something different in their everyday carry. This knife blends history with modern functionality in a sleek pocket-sized form. Number 28, Rite in the Rain Notebooks. These notebooks are tough little companions for taking notes in any weather. The paper won't fall apart when it gets wet, making them for rainy days, outdoor adventures. They even repel sweat, grease, and mud, and can survive a spin in the wash. You can use a regular ballpoint pen when the paper is dry, pencils work in any condition, and an all-weather pen like a Fisher Space Pen is ideal. The mini notepads measure 3¼ by 4½ inches, have 24 pages, and are only 1/8 of an inch thick, so they're super easy to carry without adding bulk or weight, and as per price, they're an affordable option. Number 27, Nitecore Mosquito Repellent. This pocket-sized gadget keeps mosquitoes away and can also charge your phone. It runs on a built-in battery and recharges by USB-C. Slip it in a bag or clip it to a strap. Turn it on to make a small safe zone without sprays, flames, or noise. Use it on the patio while hiking or at camp. When your phone is low, plug in for a quick boost. Simple, tough, and a real EDC gadget. Number 26, Coleman Mini First Aid Kit. This compact first aid tin is a great addition to your EDC gear, packed with all the essentials: latex-free bandages, antibiotic ointment, antiseptic wipes, and more. It's perfect for quick, on-the-go care in emergencies. The kit includes a variety of bandages, safety pins, and sting relief wipes, giving you a full range of options for minor injuries. Housed in a sturdy, crush-proof metal tin, it's small enough to fit in your bag, but durable enough to handle tough situations. Number 25, ThruNite Mini EDC Flashlight. Maybe it is small, but it's really powerful, packing a punch with 405 lumens and a beam that reaches up to 87 meters. Despite its compact size, just 3.26 inches long and weighing only 34 grams, it's a powerhouse in your pocket. The integrated tail switch lets you easily toggle through 3 brightness modes, and the lockout mode ensures no accidental activation. Featuring a built-in rechargeable battery with a convenient USB-C charging port, it's easy to keep powered up. Number 24, Tactical EDC Pouch. This tactical pouch is seriously tough, made with 1000D nylon that's both durable and water resistant, so it'll keep your gear safe and dry. The double zippers let you open it wide and lay it flat, making it easy to see everything inside. It has a front zipper pocket and a main compartment with mesh pockets and elastic bands to organize your EDC essentials. Stuff like keys, flashlights, knives, or even first aid supplies. Super handy for keeping your must-haves organized and accessible. Number 23, Leatherman Signal Multitool. The Leatherman Signal Multitool is for outdoor lovers. It packs 19 handy tools like a fire starter, safety whistle, and mini saw, all in a compact design. Most tools can be used with one hand, and they lock into place for safety. The pocket clip is removable, and you can easily access most tools without opening it fully. It is great for hiking, camping, or just tinkering around at home. It's a reliable tool to keep close. Number 22, Kable Card. This is surprisingly more powerful than you'd expect. As the name suggests, inside it there's a cable that can easily be plugged in, but that's not its primary function. There's more to it. You can set your phone on a stand, and it can be used vertically as well. However, if you lay it horizontally, it will charge while in this mode. Very cool. This device is packed with features, and for its price and size, it's truly impressive. Number 21, Civivi Mini Praxis. With a pocket clip for convenient carry, it's an ideal choice for EDC, legal in all states, and tough enough for any adventure. The G10 handle is smooth, durable, and resistant to moisture and temperature changes, providing a solid grip without weighing you down. Equipped with a ceramic ball-bearing pivot, the Mini Praxis ensures fast, smooth one-handed deployment and closing. Number 20, KeySmart MagConnect. Never waste time digging through your pockets or bag again. The MagConnect magnetic keychain is the perfect EDC solution for quick and easy access to your keys. No more awkwardly squeezing them into tight pockets. Just attach the MagConnect to your belt loop. When you need your keys, simply pull apart the strong magnets. Designed to hold up to 3 pounds of weight, but easy to detach with a quick tug. Number 19, Unihertz Jelly 2E. This one is probably the world's smallest 4G smartphone, weighing just 110 grams and featuring a 3-inch screen. This mini phone may be compact, but it's packed with impressive features. Running on Android 12, it supports almost every app available on the Google Play Store. Its 2000 mAh battery ensures you can enjoy hours of calls, music, movies, and more without worrying about running out of power. Also, with its included armband, clip, and other accessories, you can even use it as a necklace. Number 18, Paracord Bracelet. This survival bracelet combines multiple tools in one. An upgraded compass, SOSLED light, flint fire starter, whistle, and thermometer. You can wear it while traveling as both a stylish accessory and a reliable survival kit. The LED light has 3 modes for rescue. The compass is large and accurate, and the whistle is loud enough to be heard from far away. The paracord can hold up to 550 pounds and unwind to 10 feet when needed. Number 17, Eten Wolf Air Pump. This tiny air pump works fast, filling an air mattress in about a minute and deflating it in around 40 seconds. It's got a solid battery that can handle plenty of inflations on one charge, and works with Type-C fast charging too. Small and light like an egg, you can hook it to your bag or slip it in your pocket. It even doubles as a camping light with 3 brightness levels for soft, reading, or outdoor use. Number 16, Gerber Dime Multitool. This EDC multi-tool is small but seriously useful, giving you 12 tools in one sleek design. You get pliers, wire cutters, scissors, a knife, screwdrivers, tweezers, and even a bottle opener, all built from tough stainless steel that can handle daily wear. It opens smoothly, locks safely, and stays compact when folded. Easy to clip onto your keychain or slip into your pocket. It's the kind of everyday gadget you'll actually use for camping, quick fixes, or any on-the-go task. Don't skip! This next part's where it actually gets more good, trust me. Number 15, Kodak Mini Instant Printer. With the Kodak Step Printer, printing high-quality photos on the go has never been easier. Simply pair it with your Bluetooth or NFC-enabled device, and in under 60 seconds, you'll have vibrant, full-color prints right in your hand. Thanks to Zinc Zero ink technology, there's no need for costly ink, toner, or ribbons, and you get cool peel and stick photos that are almost for any surface. The prints are not only bright and clear, but also have a protective coating too. Number 14, Denon Earbuds. They let you customize your sound with Massimo's adaptive acoustic technology, creating a personalized listening experience. You'll get Denon's signature vivid, detailed sound, and with active noise canceling, you can block out distractions or switch to social mode to stay aware of your surroundings. The touch controls are fully customizable and they fit comfortably for all-day use, with 6 hours of playback and 18 hours in the case, plus an IPX4 rating. Number 13, EDC Escape Tool. This handy window breaker tool is a must-have for your EDC kit. With a strong tungsten steel drill bit, it's built to break windows quickly in an emergency. It can handle extreme impacts and temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. The spring is tested for durability even underwater. It features 2 light modes, strobe and full light, providing up to 6 hours of strobe light and 4 hours of full light. The seatbelt cutter works with one hand, and its durable drop-proof design ensures it's always ready when you need it. Number 12, Magnetic Finger Glove. This clever magnetic finger tool makes grabbing tiny metal parts easy and stress-free. It has a strong magnet at the tip that lets you pick up or hold nails, screws, or bolts without dropping them. Super handy in tight spaces. It saves you from digging around for lost pieces while working. Just slip it on your finger and you're ready to go. It fits any hand comfortably. Number 11. Aaxa P2 Mini Projector. Ever been stuck somewhere without a TV or screen to watch your favorite shows or presentations? The P2B LED projector solves that problem with its ultra-portable design. At just 2.5 inches and weighing only 8.8 ounces, this mini projector fits in your bag or even your pocket. Powered by a 1,800 mAh lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 150 minutes of use on a single charge, making it great for on-the-go entertainment anytime, anywhere. Number 10. Mini Bluetooth Speaker. Next on the list we have, this mini speaker packs a punch, giving you a loud, rich sound with deep bass that feels bigger than its size. Its custom 48mm driver and built-in radiators bring your music to life with clear highs and powerful lows. Designed for the outdoors, it's tough, portable, and ready for any adventure. Thanks to its strong battery and run-stretch tech, you can enjoy up to 12 hours of non-stop playtime. Number 9. Sawyer Mini Water Filter. If you travel a lot, then seriously, this little water filter needs to be in your EDC kit. You don't get clean water everywhere, and this thing saves you every time. You can hook it up to a water pouch, a plastic bottle, or just drink straight from a stream using the straw. It filters out almost everything: bacteria, protozoa, even microplastics. Super light, super easy to carry, and honestly, once you've got it, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. Number 8. The Mighty Bar. This tiny pry bar is one of those EDC tools that quietly becomes a daily must-have. Made from solid stainless steel, it's tough enough for quick fixes like popping open boxes, scraping off stickers, or tightening a screw when needed. It keeps things simple without the bulk of a big multi-tool, and the compact size means it fits right on your keychain or lanyard. Always there, always handy. A small tool that easily earns its spot in any everyday carry setup. Number 7. Mini Item Tracker. This small smart key finder is actually pretty impressive. It's the first one that works with both Google's Find My Device app and Apple's Find My Network, though you can only use one at a time. The battery lasts around 8 months per charge, and it's rechargeable with a USB-C cable, so no need to replace batteries. The LED light and loud sound make it easy to spot things in dark or messy spaces. It's slim, easy to stick anywhere, and the Bluetooth range feels solid too. Number 6. Fisher Space Pen Bullet. So, the Fisher Space Pen 400 is honestly one of the coolest EDC pens. NASA used it on the Apollo missions, so it's no joke. You can write upside down, underwater, or even through grease. It's super lightweight and comfy to hold, plus the pocket clip makes it easy to toss in your bag. If you need a reliable pen, this one's smooth, always works, and doesn't need any shaking to get it going. Number 5. Hoto Laser Mini Tool. This credit card-sized laser measurer fits easily into any pocket or keychain. Its minimalist design and tactile finish make it a helpful tool for DIYers and tech enthusiasts. Its accuracy is great even at up to 98 feet. It's ideal for home renovations, furniture layout, and craft projects. The Class 2 laser ensures safety while being reliable in low-light settings. It also doubles as a fun cat teaser with a low-power OLED screen, USB-C rechargeability, and over 500 measurements per charge. Number 4. Wotony Sling Bag. This EDC sling bag is lightweight yet incredibly durable for everyday use. Its versatile design lets you use it as a sling pack or even a compact first aid kit, keeping your essentials organized wherever you go. It's small and portable and weighs just 8 ounces. Thoughtfully designed with side clips for easy left or right hand wear, it combines comfort and convenience seamlessly. Number 3. Geekey Multitool. This little gadget might look small, but it's packed with tools you'll actually use. Slip it on your keychain or drop it in your pocket. It barely takes up space. Since it's TSA friendly, you can travel with it worry-free. What makes it fun is how many things it can do. Tighten a screw, open a box, fix a bike spoke, strip a wire, or pop open a drink. It's the kind of multi-tool that comes through when you least expect it without ever weighing you down. Number 2. Handheld Mini Fan. This small fan is perfect for anyone who's always on the go and hates the heat. It's powered by a 4,000 mAh battery and a 3-phase brushless motor, giving you strong, steady airflow wherever you are. With wind speeds reaching up to 10 meters per second and a motor that hits 20,000 revolutions per minute, it cools you down fast whether you're traveling, working, or outdoors. A single charge gives you 3 to 15 hours of use, so you can stay comfortable all day without worrying about it dying on you. Number 1. Magpul Wallets. This wallet is priced at around $24, which is really reasonable. It's crafted from a super tough reinforced waterproof polymer fabric with a grippy texture that keeps your items secure and adds a bit of extra friction in your pocket. The seams are RF welded, so there's no stitching to worry about, making it extremely durable. It can comfortably hold 3 to 7 cards and weighs just under 22 grams, so it's incredibly lightweight. Overall, it's a simple, rugged, and affordable minimal wallet that's definitely worth recommending. So, that's all I've got today. If you actually enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Thank you for watching.